Hey, this is the new G23 Fyre Spheres from RH Peterson. It is a vent-free option, so we have been waiting for a reliable vent-free sphere option for the last couple years. We have had one, but it hadn't been super reliable, so getting this option on our floor is exciting. So some customers really want a more modern option for an event free. So this is a on-off, comes with the remote control millivolt system. So you can hook this up to a wall switch if you want, or it does come with the remote that is an on-off. You can upgrade to electronic ignition if you like. That electronic ignition's gonna be on-off, but it will turn the pilot on and then will turn the unit on for an additional amount of money. You do have different options with your sphere colors. We show the light gray here on our floor. There also is black. We also have Carrera, which is like a white with a veining in it. Looks a lot like marble. And then we also have like a black marble with like a light colored veining in it that just came out. The sphere pricing does vary based on color, so the light gray is the least expensive or the most cost effective. The black with the light veining is going to be the most expensive, so it just depends on what is your fancy and what coloration you want. They only offer this in two sizes. This is the 24-inch. We also offer the 18-inch. They have not come out with a 30-inch set yet, so if you have a huge fireplace or a larger fireplace for vent free, you're not going to be able to do anything huge yet. But this is a 42-inch fireplace, which is probably what most of our customers have max size wise, and this doesn't look tiny in it as a 24-inch set. So just keep that in mind. You don't have to go with a 30-inch set if you have a 42-inch opening. We actually recommend doing a 24-inch set. So we have spruce this up by doing some black glass on the floor here, so you can see you can spruce it up by doing some black glass on the floor of your fireplace. Really does make it look more modern and aesthetically pleasing. And you can get that, you know, this is probably maybe 10 to 15 pounds of glass, and that could be anywhere from $100 to $200. So we can do that with any fireplace if you don't want to do lava rock, which is what traditionally people do in fireplaces. But we're really excited about having the G23 on our floor and having options, and by the time next week we should have the other fireball options here on our showroom floor, so you can visually see what the colors look like.